attacked almost constantly from the pollutants in the air you journey through, the airborne irritants, the shallow patterns of stress, tiring and weakening from the silent burden of unprocessed grief and the ceaseless demand for oxygen, plagued with gradual degenerative effects of aging and possible disease. Your lungs are in need of serious attention and love. These devoted friends in breath, their intricate anatomical structures, allowing the sacred exchange of life-giving air, the whisper of your voice, the wings of your spirit. Meticulously designed to play a critical role in the function of your respiration, are crying out for you to recognize their tireless service. I am Leopold, a healer from the other side, and it's my privilege to bring this healing experience to your lungs. Let me bring beautiful healing energy from the other side to repair, strengthen, and nourish your steadfast friends in breath. It's no coincidence that brought you to this healing experience. You've been led here because you need it. To apply this healing experience for your lungs to best effect, it's good to have a basic understanding of the structure of the lungs themselves, to enable you to journey around and through the lungs, leading the healing energy to where your lungs need it most. Energy follows the awareness, or as is often said in Chinese medicine, the qi, or energy, follows the yi, or intention. The images on your screen now show the lungs and their structures, both outside and inside, to familiarize you with the basic anatomy of these delicate branches of life. Pause the video and familiarize yourself with the lungs' anatomy if you wish, before proceeding. Begin by finding a quiet place to sit or lie down where you won't be disturbed. It is best to wear clothing that is comfortable. When your healing experience begins, you can either keep your eyes open or have your eyes closed. There will be images of the structures of your lungs as healing progresses. However, you don't need to look at any screen during your healing experience. The beautiful healing energy will align with you wherever you are. Pause your video and settle yourself by taking a few deep inhalations and exhalations. When you are ready, restart your video. Your beautiful healing experience begins in 10 seconds. Close your eyes now, dear seeker, and let the outer world soften into a gentle hush. Feel the sacred rhythm of your breath as it flows in and out, in and out. Each breath is like a feather upon the water, each exhale a release of all tightness, melting away like snowflakes on warm skin. Now, envision a radiant golden sphere of light, the color of Manuka honey, thick and luminous, spinning just above your crown. This is healing energy, pure and divine, shimmering with the power to restore, renew, and revitalize. With your next inhale, draw this golden light down through your body, filling every cell with its warmth. Feel it pooling around you, forming a protective auric field, a shimmering cocoon of safety and peace. Today, let us honor the sacred vessel of the breath, turning our attention to the lungs, the sanctuary within, the wings of your spirit, blessing each avenue and tiny sac with this golden light, dissolving all that no longer serves you, and awakening perfect, effortless breath. Let us begin. Bring your awareness to the pleura, the delicate, glistening membrane that enfolds your lungs like angel's silk. Feel its two smooth layers sliding against each other with every breath, a silent, graceful dance. Breathe golden light into these pearlescent sheets. Imagine the luminous honey seeping into every fold, every cell. Feel a tingling warmth as the light dissolves any roughness, any adhesions, any hidden places where grief has clung. With each exhale, release that old sorrow, sending it beyond your auric field, where it transforms into white light. Whisper gratitude to this gentle guardian for protecting your breath, for allowing your lungs to glide in perfect safety. See it now, smooth and radiant, a cloak of liquid gold. Stop and feel the effortless glide. Shift your focus now to the bronchial tree, the branching pathways that carry air deep into your being. Feel the trachea as a sacred trunk dividing into ever finer branches, like roots of an upside-down tree of life. Bathe them in golden light. Sense the vibration as the light travels down each airway, opening, relaxing, widening. Visualize it soothing any inflammation, melting away any phlegm or blockage, leaving each passage clear and shimmering. The rings of cartilage glow with renewed strength. The smooth muscle softens into perfect tone. Breathe out constriction. Breathe in spaciousness. Your bronchi are now hollow reeds of light, channels of pure golden air. Take a moment, feeling the deep, open flow. Now, journey deeper to the alveoli, the millions of tiny sacred sacs where breath becomes life. Feel them clustered like ethereal grapes, like a galaxy of miniature moons within your chest. Flood this immense, delicate surface with golden light. Watch as each tiny sac inflates with radiance. Feel the light repairing the paper-thin walls, melting away any scar, any fluid, any shadow of stagnation. The capillaries that embrace them drink in the light, strengthening their fragile embrace. Exhale any heaviness. Inhale perfect exchange. Your alveoli now shimmer like dew-drenched pearls, weaving oxygen into your blood with divine alchemy. Pause, sensing the lightness of pure air. Now, call upon the sacred muscles of breath, the mighty diaphragm and the intercostal web between your ribs. Feel the diaphragm as a dome of power, rising and falling like the wing of a great bird. Feel the intercostals lifting and widening like angelic ribs of light. Pour golden light into every fiber of these muscles. Watch the light untangle any stiffness, any held tension, any fear. See the diaphragm become supple, elastic, breathing with oceanic rhythm. The intercostals become flexible bands of gold, expanding your ribcage with effortless grace. Breathe into their power. Exhale any weakness. They are now divine bellows, fanning your inner fire with ease. Inhale, feeling the smooth, tidal breath. Turn your attention now to the larynx, the sacred gateway where breath becomes word, where spirit becomes song. Feel its delicate cartilage, its tender vocal folds poised to vibrate with truth. Flood this chamber with golden light. Watch as any irritation, any constriction from words unspoken, dissolves in honeyed warmth. The vocal folds bathe in light, becoming supple and clear. Your throat is now a golden flute, ready to sound only your soul's authentic note. Breathe in expression. Exhale silence that no longer serves. Your voice is a river of light, your breath its sacred current. Sense the liberated throat chakra. Now step back and behold your lungs, whole, radiant, pulsing with golden light. Every branch, every tiny sac, every muscle harmonizes in divine breath. You are breathing not just air, but pure light. Whisper thanks to these precious gifts, for the breath of life, for the whispers of trees you inhale, for the song you exhale into the world. Your lungs are the wings of your earthly angel. When you are ready, gently return to the room, carrying this oceanic golden breath with you. Your breath is effortless. Your lungs are healed. So it is.